The International Criminal Court announced that it was opening a formal investigation into allegations of war crimes committed by Israel and Palestinian militant groups in heavily disputed territories. Marvi Delfin will give us the details live. Yes, Marvi.
National Criminal Court's outgoing Chief Prosecutor Fatou Bensouda has declared yesterday that her office will formally look into Israeli military actions and settlement constructions on lands captured in the 1967 Mid-East War, as well as the events leading up to one of the deadliest conflicts in decades, the 2014 Gaza War. The decision was a move welcomed by Palestinian leadership and its supporters, but has infuriated the Israeli government and prompted swift rejection from Washington and Jerusalem.
The decision of the International Court to open an investigation against Israel today for war crimes is absurd. It's undiluted anti-Semitism and the height of hypocrisy. Without any jurisdiction, it decided that our brave soldiers, who take every precaution to avoid civilian casualties against the worst terrorist in the world, who deliberately target civilians, it's our soldiers who are war criminals.
The court ruled that the West Bank, the Gaza Strip, and East Jerusalem are in its areas of jurisdiction. In a statement, Bensouda said the investigation's central concern must be for the victims and their families, both Palestinian and Israeli, and it aims to be conducted independently, impartially, and objectively, without fear or favor of either party. The inquiry will focus on the indiscriminate rocket fire by Palestinian militant groups against Israeli communities, where 67 soldiers and 6 civilians were killed, as well as Israel's airstrikes, which resulted in the deaths of 2,200 Palestinians, including nearly 1,500 civilians. Bensouda named both the Israeli Defense Forces and armed Palestinian groups such as Hamas as possible perpetrators. Mariel, the International Criminal Court serves as a court of last resort when countries' own judicial systems are unable or unwilling to investigate and prosecute war crimes. However, Israel does not recognize its authority. Mariel?
All right, Marvi, thank you for that live report.